So today we are doing a mojito. Here's the thing. In this book, a Pedro Collins or a rum Collins uses Cuban rum, either white or gold, and the rum Collins decorated with a sprig of mint is sometimes called a mojito. Here's the thing, guys. I've never had a mojito with lemon. Sounds really gross. So I'm sticking with the lime. 1 full lime. 1 tablespoon simple syrup. At this point, we're going to add a few leaves of mint, and I'm going to sort of squish those in the bottom. I'm going to go with 3. These are freshly picked, so they're probably pretty strong. Smash this up a little bit with a little pestle in there, make sure it's all minty. And then 2 of these jiggers full of rum. Got 1. We add some ice in here, and as usual, you top all this off with some unflavored sparkling water. Give that one final little stir. Give it a try. I like them because I think they're very refreshing. I don't know if it'll be good like I'm used to.
Ooh, it is quite refreshing. Yeah, that's really good. I was expecting overpowering mint, but...
Yeah, it's not that. I actually might use a little more mint next time. But other than that, it's like pretty much perfect. I think if I rip this mint up, it'll do a little bit more mint-wise. Or muddling ahead of time might do something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. But this is definitely more like a mojito than the book suggested. So it's a little modified, but it's good and great on a hot summer day. Go get 'em, team!